one of the educational landmarks of the city of Kolkata. Abhinav Bharati High School, shining brightly in its platinum jubilee year, aiming to provide holistic education to every student based on the belief that each child has an inherent potential to excel. And truly inspired by the purpose of education, which will ignite compassion and conscience among the students for a better society. The glorious 75 years journey of Abhinav Bharati High School, popular as ABHS, began as Abhinav Bharati Bal Mandir, the pioneer Montessori school in Calcutta, which was established in the year 1945 on the 20th of August at 32 Hari Ram Goenka Street. The school initially started with 18 children on roll, with the dedication of a very few teachers.
Before the school Abhinav Bharati was started, a committee of 9 members under the presidentship of Sitaramji Saxaria was formed. Mrs. Gyanvati Lat was the secretary of the school. Sri Govindaramji Kanodia, Sri Purnendu Kumarji and Sri Mohanlalji Lat were the other members of the committee.
It was the dream of a visionary woman, Srimati Gyanvati Lat, which sow the seeds of Abhinav Bharati High School.
श्रीमती ज्ञानवती लाठ ने अपने नाम के अनुसार ही कार्य किया। उन्होंने उस जमाने में मनोविज्ञान में एमए पास किया और रूढ़िवादी मारवाड़ी समाज की औरतों को लेकर के उन्होंने कार्य किया। गांधी जी के विचारों से सहमत होकर के उन्होंने और विदेशी वस्त्रों को जला दिया और पूरा जीवन उन्होंने खादी पहनी। बच्चों के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए उन्होंने स्कूल खोली 13 बच्चों को लेकर बड़े बाजार में, और 3 कमरों में उन्होंने स्कूल चलाई, जो कि आज अभिनव भारती हाई स्कूल के नाम से जानी जाती है।
The original venue of the school fell far short of space, and Sri Govind Prasad Ji Kanoria suggested the name of Sri Hanuman Bakshji Nimani, who with the help of other social workers decided to buy a building by raising a fund of rupees 3 lakhs. In 1947, a new building was bought at 11 Pretoria Street, which is functioning till date. Since then, Abhinav Bharati High School has evolved through the years. Trustees of the school took a historic decision to convert the medium of instructions from Hindi to English in 1988. under the chairmanship of Sri B.D. Surekha, it was decided to establish it into a high school with affiliation to Central Board of Secondary Education. In 1994, Abhinav Bharati sent its first batch of 17 Class 10 students, and in 1996, the school sent its first batch of Class 12 students for the CBSE board examinations. In its glittering platinum journey, ABHS has been associated with many esteemed organizations and initiatives, and the synergy orchestrated has produced magical outcomes. The social and cultural organization Abhinav Sanskriti Parishad, the night school for the underprivileged, Sangeet Shyamala Parishad for training in Indian classical music, pioneering international Montessori training in Eastern India, Natya Shodh Sansthan for research and archiving of theatre, Mano Vikas Kendra lending a hand for the specially abled children, Sangeet Shyamala for propagation of Indian music and culture, Parents Information Center to spread consciousness among parents, and Bal Sabha exploring and showcasing children's talents. In 2020, in its 75th year, ABHS has a student strength of around 1,300, and in every session, the number is growing.
This long journey of 75 years, starting from a small strength of 18 students till the current strength of 1,300 plus, has seen the school grow in leaps and bounds. Over the years, the school has tried to embrace every change that has come in the educational arena. Every classroom today is fully digitalized. The school has science laboratories, computer labs, maths labs, indoor games room, air-conditioned Montessori hall. We have recently introduced English language labs as well.
Very supportive and encouraging teachers.
Splendid libraries for academic support.
Fantastic labs.
Smart learning with multimedia support.
If the bricks of this edifice could speak, they would tell tales of glorious achievements right from the pre-independence era till the present day.
There is not a dull moment in school as the children enjoy every game, displaying amazing physical energy in the playground and in the basketball court.
We in Abhinav Bharati High School believe in the holistic development of our children. As a result, the school gives ample scope to every child to enhance and encourage their talents in the form of various activities like dance, drama, music, synthesizer, aerobics, sculpting, calligraphy, and robotics in the form of their extracurricular activities.
Abhinav Bharti High School is a home away from home for every student whose future gets formed in a happy, safe, and secured atmosphere.
Events and extravaganzas cover the action-packed ABHS calendar. The first school fest in Kolkata, Manthan, began in Abhinav Bharati High School. Awards, accolades, rewards and recognitions all have made the pursuit towards all-round excellence more stronger. Abhinav Bharati High School, celebrating 75 glorious years of meaningful existence.
The school ensures to imbibe in all our students true pride in the rich heritage of our country. It is committed to prepare dedicated, responsible, courageous and confident individuals ready to face all challenges of the modern world and emerge victorious in all situations.
As Abhinav Bharati High School shines brightly, basking in its platinum glory, the vision and belief of nurturing young minds with strong values and sound knowledge, blending traditions with modern outlook, mark the route map towards a brighter tomorrow, illuminating the path ahead with more conviction and commitment.